How to claim Pepe on desktop website with Best Wallet. Before we begin, let's quickly cover gas fees. Gas fees are the costs required for the blockchain to process and approve a transaction. Given the size of the claim, we expect there may be a significant spike in gas fees. To claim Pepu, ensure you have ETH in your wallet to cover the gas fees. You can quickly buy ETH in Best Wallet or deposit it from an external wallet or exchange. Simply go to your wallet's main screen and tap Buy or Receive. Now that you're ready, let's walk through the claiming process step by step. Open the Pepe Unchained Claim website and click the Connect button in the top right corner to connect your Best Wallet. After clicking Connect, a pop-up will appear asking you to select your wallet. Choose Best Wallet, and a QR code will be displayed. Open your Best Wallet app, and on the top right corner of your wallet, you'll see a scan option. Use it to scan the QR code from the claim website. Confirm the connection within your Best Wallet app to proceed. Once connected, you'll see a widget on the claim website that allows you to swap on Uniswap and claim. Click the Claim button on the bottom left. The screen will then display two options: Claim or Claim and Stake. Selecting Claim and Stake lets you maximize your Pepu tokens. If you choose Claim, a pop-up will appear in your Best Wallet app to confirm the transaction. After successfully claiming your Pepu tokens and refreshing your wallet, they should appear automatically. If you don't see your tokens, don't worry. You may need to manually import the contract address. Head to the Token Import section in Best Wallet, paste the Pepu contract address, and your token should appear. And that was all. Subscribe, it's free.